Welcome to 467 Ocean Beach Road, Umina Beach. It's 150 metres to the beach that way. It's 100 metres to the shops that way.
Why don't you come through and have a look at this wonderful beachside home?
You're going to love this stunning home.
Let's go take a look. What about the butler's pantry, the steam oven, perfect for entertaining. And what about the flow going straight out the back into the outdoor entertaining area? Simply one of the best. Well, what have you got for me out here, Dave?
What haven't I got for you out here, Sam? I've got the heated pool. I've got an absolutely sensational outdoor entertaining area. Barbecue, lounge, fantastic. What more could you ask for? 467 Ocean Beach Road, Umina Beach. Classic, bespoke, beachside living. This is one of the best houses in the neighbourhood. It's a house to be proud of, and realistically, I think it could be yours. So I've seen a lot of master bedrooms in my time, but I'm going to say this one is the best. Come and have a look. With world-class finishes, this is the property you should be looking at today. With its rear lane access, this magnificent two-bedroom sleep out is perfect for the in-laws or the teenage kids. With its 3 bedrooms, study, double garage, 2 bathrooms, its heated pool, the outdoor entertaining area, I'm going to shut up and let the house do all the talking, because this is one of the best beachside properties I've ever seen. It's available. It's 467 Ocean Beach Road, Umina Beach. Sam, what are your thoughts?
It's amazing. I'm gonna grab me board and walk down to the surf. Let's go. Please call Sam or Dave Keenan from Rain and Horn Peninsula for all your inquiries.